Hello everybody, today we're going to see the unboxing of CALBIOTECH FT3 ELISA test kit. It's free Triiodothyronine ELISA test kit. I'll just show you around this box. The bottom and this is the top. Just to go around this side. You can see it says free Triiodothyronine FT3 ELISA test kits, a 96 well plate. You can see the reference part number and you can see the lot number, manufacturing date and also the expiry date, and temperature range of 2 to 8. It's manufactured in CALBIOTECH US, IVD certified product. I'll just open this box for you. You can see inside the kit there is one IFE brochure. Here you go. The IFE brochure, you can see that it says CALBIOTECH free Triiodothyronine FT3 ELISA. The CALBIOTECH FT3 ELISA kit is used for the quantitative measurement of free Triiodothyronine FT3 human serum and plasma. This is the IFE brochure which contains even the contents is shown here. A complete IFE brochure which talks about the assay procedure and your test results and interpretation of the test results. You get the complete details here. I'm just keeping this here. You can go through this and get the kit. And there is one certificate of analysis document. You can see certificate of analysis. In this you can see there is certificate analysis, the catalog number and the free FT3 ELISA. It says the key contents here: the micro well coated with the FT3AB, and the FT3 standard 1, standard 2, standard 3, standard 4, standard 5, standard 6, and you have the FT3 enzyme conjugate 1 bottle, and TMB substrate 1 bottle, and stop solution 1 bottle, and wash concentrate 1 bottle. This is how the total document looks like. I'll just keep this here. This is analysis. And inside you can see coated wells with FT3AB. So you get the 96 well plate. It's here. You can see this here. This is how the plate looks like. The other side is like this. This is how it is. You can see there is a reference part number, lot number. You get the says 96 wells and also expiry period and also the temperature range to maintain. Here is the solutions inside. You can just go one by one. Inside you can see there is one TMB substrate bottle, which is a 12 ml bottle. You can see this here. I'm putting it back. Sometimes these pouches are not strong. Let's put it back. And then there's a white cap one which says wash concentrate 20x 25 ml. You got the lot number and reference part number. I'm putting it back. We get FT3 enzyme conjugate 12 ml, and then you get stop solution. This is 12 ml. You can see the lot number. Putting it back, and you have different standards. Let me put one by one. You can see this here. FTP standard 2, FTP standard 3, FT3 standard 4, and FT3 standard 6, FT3 standard 1, FT3 standard 5. This is how the total test kits looks like. To quickly summarize here, today we've seen the unboxing of CALBIOTECH free Triiodothyronine FT3 ELISA test kit, and this each kit 96 well kit contains one IFE brochure, one certificate of analysis, one 96 well plate, and the different solutions that include FT3 standard 1 to 6 and FT3 enzyme conjugate 1 bottle and TMB substrate 1 bottle. And you get a stop solution 1 bottle and wash concentrate 1 bottle. This is how the total test kits looks like. Okay, thank you.